Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside Performance 20V cordless backpack pressure sprayer. The model PPARDS 16D3. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. One battery series over 100 devices. Working pressure 2 to 6 bar. Throughout flow rate 61.8 liters per hour. Tank capacity 16 liters. Spray capacity per battery charge approximately 320 liters. Compared to the oldest model, this one has 220% more tank volume, 319% higher through flow capacity, 300% more working pressure. Accessories included with a huge 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. A huge manual, nozzles, shoulder strap, 16 liters huge container, very durable, I like it. Stainless steel nozzle pipe, I like it, and one plastic nozzle pipe. The hose with a length 1.5 meters, the trigger, lock mechanism here at the trigger so it can work continuously, press to unlock. You can install the stainless steel pipe here. At the front you can remove the nozzle. Now if you want to use these accessories, remove the stainless steel pipe and install the plastic. And here are the plastic. You can install one of these nozzles wherever you want. This is the mist nozzle. And we have another 3 nozzles, the double head nozzle, obviously, the fan nozzle, and the single head nozzle. With storage, you can use the storage, install one end here, perfect, and the other one here. So you can have the stainless steel pipe at this position, and here you can have the plastic. And obviously with all the other nozzles. I like it. Nice storage position. And of course you can use the shoulder strap. Connect 2 at the top, here left and right, and the 2 at the left and right here at the bottom. Very convenient. And of course at the container We have the lid, sealing inside, with a mess. Nice. Parkside Performance. And at the back we have this soft cushion for your back. Since this is a backpack pressure sprayer, definitely it will help you when you are using for a long time this sprayer. It is very soft. And of course, here we have the controllers. Pull that and install the battery. You can use any type of batteries, 2, 4 ampere hours, professional or not professional. Even this huge battery, smart battery, 8 ampere hours. And it locks. And I think I have seen online and the new battery 12 ampere hours, and I'm sure you can use in this battery plenty of space inside. It locks. No rubber around, so be careful, don't spill any water here. And we have the controller, the pressure display, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, the on-off switch, the charge level indicator, and here with this button you can change the pressure. So, what do we need right now? Water. Let's fill up with water and see how it works. Check the output from the nozzles. Now first I will try with the stainless steel pipe. On. We can see it is on the lowest. 2. The battery capacity, red, orange and green. Increasing. 3. Wow! And 2 again. Okay, let's check and the plastic. Metal pipe is out and you can use it just like that if you want. Adjust. It is on 6, 2. I really like the convenience of the 20-volt battery system, the comfortable backpack design, and the consistent spray pressure for longer jobs. If you have a larger garden or a long driveway to treat, the answer is a massive yes. The best part isn't just the 16-liter capacity, it's the fact that you never have to stop and pump again. The constant automatic pressure means you get an even coat every time without the fatigue. It's the difference between a job that feels like a workout and a job that actually gets finished before lunch. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more Parkside tool reviews and garden equipment tests. Thanks for watching, take care of your garden and I'll see you in the next one.